from S2 Security, just making you guys a video of this project. So this project is, we're doing a retrofit with Intercom system. We're going to integrate it with the electric strike, as you can see here. They have an existing access control for the Bosch 6000. So we managed to retain the existing alarm infrastructure and added our intercom onto this one. So now we can unlock it. That we've installed the Akuvox. This is the existing, once again, door is locked. And once access is approved,